I'm Seonkyoung guest. Welcome to Asian at Home. This video was sponsored by the National Pork Board, and thank you so much for partnering with me because I love pork. If you have been watching Asian at Home for a while, then you know how much I love pork, right? So anyways, I'm chopping some lemongrass because we are making Vietnamese lemongrass pork chop. Oh, it sounds so good. Perfect for weeknight dinner for your family or weekend like a barbecue party outside. It's gonna so amazing. I had this grilled lemongrass pork last time when I went to Vietnam. It was so delicious. You know, Asian flavor works amazing with pork. That's why we use a lot in our cooking, you know what I mean? And the pork is actually really easy and fun to cook. I love using pork in my cooking. So today I'm going to use this 1 1/4 inch, 1 1/2 inch, like super duper thick pork loin chop and bone in, because bone in has a lot more flavor, a lot juicier. But you can definitely just use pork tenderloin if you want like extra lean meat for your diet, or go ahead and use just regular cut of pork chop with the bone. So I have this like 1 pound each, so total 2 pounds right here, and we are going to marinate them with this delicious lemongrass and other flavors. Now let's make the marinade. I'm going to grab this glass jar and put this chopped lemongrass. It's about, I would say, 1/3 cup or so. 8 cloves of garlic that I chopped earlier, and 4 Thai chilies also chopped, and 2 shallots, the finely chopped, 1/4 cup of fish sauce, and 1/4 cup of sugar, and lots of black pepper. I would say it's about a teaspoon of black pepper, and lastly 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Right now I'm gonna close this down and shake it. Alright, the marinade is good to go. Now let's grab a little baking dish. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. Let me taste a little bit. Oh, my goodness. This is bomb degree marinade sauce right here. So I'm gonna put some little bit on the bottom of the baking dish where I'm gonna marinate the pork. I mean, you can do this in a little plastic bag, but I'm going a little fancy today, okay? And then place the pork loin chop or other pork chops or pork cuts that you're using, just like that. And pour more marinade right on top. And let them just swimming around in this flavorful lemongrass marinating. Now I'm going to cover them with plastic wrap and let them marinate for overnight. Alrighty, my pork loin chops are ready to grill. I'm so excited. I'm going to grill them over medium heat until they're perfectly done, which is 145 Fahrenheit. That way, the inside of pork is so juicy and tender and flavorful. It's very important when you're cooking this thick pork chop, make sure you check the temperature with this kind of a thermometer. This is like amazing thermometer that works with the Bluetooth. Or you can just use a simply regular meat thermometer like this. All right, so whatever you have, go ahead and check the temperature when you're cooking. Let's go on to the grill. Alright, I just chopped up some cilantro and green onion for garnish, and here is my pork loin chops. Jacob, my husband, he just took out these pork loin chops from the grill. They are perfectly done, 145 degrees. The inside, we checked that with the thermometer, it was perfect. So he just took it out from the grill. They need to rest 3 minutes for the perfect doneness. So I'm gonna let it rest right here. And meanwhile, let's cook this marinade. So I'm gonna pour this marinade into a small sauce pot. Now I'm going to add some water, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, and then we are going to bring this to boil and hard boil for 1 minute. Skim it as you go, and that way you can get rid of a little, chunky part of the lemongrass, garlic, and chili and stuff. You don't want too much, it's just enough, and get rid of the little scums and stuff. All right, we are ready to serve. Look at this beauty. And don't forget this juice. Actually, I'm gonna add this little leftover juice into this sauce that we boiled. The color is now even more sexier. I wanna show you what the inside look like, so let me grab one. The best part of pork loin chop is it has the pork loin, obviously, because pork loin chop. And it has the tenderloin cut, which is the extra lean meat. Goodness, look how juicy this is. Oh my god. So good. Oh my goodness. This is probably one of the juiciest pork chops you've ever had. Forget we have a little sauce to pour over. We got some jasmine rice to eat together.
I love the smell of jasmine.
I mean, you can serve whatever you wanna serve too, but jasmine rice will be the best, in my opinion.
The pork is so juicy.
I like that little Thai chili pop. With this, steamed vegetable or side of a salad, perfect nutrition meal right there. Lean, healthy, delicious, of course, so good. Oh, the lemongrass flavor is so good.
It's a little bit of caramelization on the outside too. Really good job.
If you guys liked my grilled lemongrass pork recipe, please give me a thumbs up. And subscribe my channel for more inspirations and idea of Asian home cooking. Don't forget to check out down below for more pork recipe inspirations. I will put the link down below where you can check more recipes. Thank you so much for watching us today. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung and this is Asian at Home, and we will see you next time. Bye! Mwah.